All right, so I am going through and making a grid for the grid project, so I will be able to save this image. So we are going to click at start for a new one. There is a video here for you in case it helps. Now I am going to click on step 1, upload, choose file, the orange button, and it is going to open up my pictures. Now I just took a simple screenshot of a picture from the internet. Katy Perry was the first person I could think of. I would like it if you use original photos, but this is the best that we can do sometimes. All right. I need to click on the next step, step 2, or you could click over here on the green button for next. So you can rotate it in case your download shows up funny. Next one is cropping. I'm asking my students for a picture with a portrait facing forward, and you can crop out anything, especially if you take a screenshot and there's black above or below the picture. Click on crop image, the button on the left here, and now that is gone. Again, I would like it if you found original photos from your phone of just a person. That way it's completely original and creative, and if you win in a competition, then you will be able to submit it. We cannot submit stuff that is not original, copywritten. So I'm going to click on saturation and make this black and white. If I keep on going down, it's going to make it negative colors here, which is crazy. We do not need that. We are just going to the regular black and white because we're working in graphite, and we just need a black and white for our reference image. So I'm going to click here on contrast. I would like to have some more contrast on this. I'm going to enhance just a little bit of brightness so I can see the eyes better in there. Now my picture is blurry because it was just a screenshot. If you download it and upload a better picture, that'd be best. I'm not going to click download yet. I'm going to click on the grid for the next step, 5. Our computer paper is 8.5 by 11, so I'm going to click on 8, edit makes 8 boxes towards the top. I'm going to click on 1 pixel. It'll make my lines skinnier. You can change the color to black or white. I think red definitely stands out the best, so I'm going to keep it on red, and I'm going to click on apply grid. So now it has 8 boxes going across the top and 11 going downwards. We've got this little weird half one at the top, but we're not going to focus on that. This is where the top of her head is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we've got that little 11 there. So it hasn't come out like that for me before, but it did this time, and we have 8 going across. So if you like how that looks, you can, or you can adjust it and change it to 7. Let's see what that looks like when we apply that grid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So then your picture would just be a little bit smaller. Now I do want it to be 8 going across. There we go. And if it's 2 pixels, is it going to look different? Let's see. It's still doing that weird half one up at the top for some silly reason. So you can see the differences between the 1 pixel and 2 pixel. I'm going to keep it at 1 pixel and keep it as is. Now I'm going to say apply grid, already did, and click download, and it went down to my downloads, and I will easily be able to find that in my finder, and there it is. And I've got other pictures that we downloaded as well. So that's all you need to know for this. And again, it was at griddrawingtool.com.